Sure. I'm just kidding. But her, it's not her I'm messing around with you.
Yeah.
Jacob! See? The cat just scratched him right now. And me. No!
Go, fat boy. Go.
Don't! Mom, look!
Where do you get that from?
He just grabbed it right now.
Just giving it to you. Throw it away.
I don't want them out here.
Put him in the box, Jacob.
Mom, that's not funny.
Let him put one in the box.
No. He's not even gonna put it in the box. He's gonna throw it.
Put him in the box, Jacob.
That's my cat. Heck no.
What happened, Jacob?
Yeah, nigga. That's funny.
Just put them over there now. They're gonna start coming out.
But that doesn't want them to be outside cats. And if they go over there, they're gonna be outside cats.
They're not coming inside.
Dad wants his gray one to come inside.
Well, I don't care about that, but
I just don't want Jacob to kill them.
Jacob, are you a cat killer?
Mom, take him over there.
Take him over there.
You.
Raven,
I have 5 kids to take care of.
Ahí tú. Déjalo, déjalo. Just looking at him.
Do it again.
Free kittens. Except for that fat gray one.
No, Mom. When's Tia Julia coming?
I know.